How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make the particles effect in Geometry Dash. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to this specific part of the build area. Basically, this is where we can add our enemies and such. And then you want to use this specific option. This is going to be the particles trigger. And if you place this, it will then simply look something like this. In my case, I'm going to be rotating it downwards. Let's click on edit object, and you have the ability to edit out the base color itself. In my case, I'm going to be putting something like red. Let's click on OK, and then we are good to go. Now, of course, right after, let's then click on edit special. And from here, you could edit out basically anything about the particle itself. So in my case, I'm going to be placing it this way. Let's also increase the emission and the lifetime of the particle. You could also edit out the visuals if you want to. Maybe you want a bigger particle. You have your end size, your spin, and such. Of course, after making the adjustments that you like, you can then go ahead and basically just click on the OK button. Let's now rotate it to wherever we want to. Let's hit on play, and as you can see, we are now using the particle effect according to our own preference. Once again, if you click on edit special, click on visual, you can then apply all sorts of particles that you want to. Let's go ahead and basically make it a little bit bigger so you guys can actually see the particle effect that I have applied. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.